I love it. Once again, the use of stories and analogies are so powerful in communication. And I think especially in the technical world. One of the things that you said that jumped out to me was there's a lot of technical things that non-technical people, they don't need to know. And from a communication standpoint, it's challenging to know where's that line. Okay, how much do I need to share of the technical stuff to get them to get the point versus they don't need to know it. It's honestly going to be detrimental if I share all this because it's going to confuse them. It's going to lead to a lot more questions and slow things down. So as you say, as I'm able to simplify things and then create some sort of visualization, right? With a semi truck, you can only get so much going down that lane at one time. Maybe you can put a second trailer on it, which always freaks me out when I see those on the highway, those big trucks pulling a second trailer. But yeah, then kind of say, okay, no, we need the train and we need the bullet train, or so to speak. But no, that's a great way to be able to take imagery and help make people understand your point. Love it.